US ecosystem, spending time here in LA and San Francisco, a couple of other trips before to New York and Miami. For me personally, it's been a fantastic opportunity to meet with local ecosystem players. For instance, limited partners that I didn't know before, family offices, high net worths, and obviously other GPs here in the ecosystem.
What I'm really excited about on this trip is that people in the US are aware of what's going on in Berlin, or they've heard something about it, but they don't actually have touch points or counterparts in Berlin to really get a feel for what's actually happening on the ground. And so meeting these VCs and meeting these founders face to face and really learning from the people who are making it happen gets the Americans excited and interested more in what's happening in Berlin. And I think that will create more investment into Berlin from the US and really create these long-lasting bridges between Silicon Valley, LA, Miami, New York, all these places that we visited in the Skytrain program.